Hi everybody, it's Jason from Boatshed Plymouth. Today we're on board a Halmatic sailboat that we have listed here in the Plymouth area. I'm just going to be shooting a short external video walking around the deck of this boat so you can get a feel for her layout and her lovely lines. So we're just starting off here in the cockpit. The cockpit has a nice deep safe feeling to it. There's ample seating around the cockpit too. These are both lockers, big huge lockers actually, either side of the cockpit. Lazarette locker at the stern of the boat and another big locker there. Boat also benefits from a Rutland wind generator, and mounted on the stern is a very nice piece of kit. Wind vane self-steering arrangement. So I'm just going to hop up now onto the side deck, port side, and we'll take a look, slowly moving forward. So we've got nice big windows, nice raised coach roof. Hopefully you can hear my voice over the wind. It's a little bit blowy today. We have a life raft in a canister there mounted, and a Honda Marine dinghy sat there too. So nice big wide side decks. Coach roof is easy to step up onto, and again lots and lots of deck space. So just spinning around, take a look back at the boat from the bow. You can get a feel for that really nice big, easy to walk around deck area of this boat. Big spray hood with the solar panel there, and a wraparound window giving great visibility again for the skipper. So we'll just take a quick pan up the mast. There you can see a radome. And then finally making our way back to the cockpit. Again, you can get an idea for just how cavernous that cockpit is. Should you have any questions regarding this boat, please don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatshedplymouth.com, and of course you can see the boat's full listing on our website at boatshedplymouth.com. Thanks for watching.